Here I have three worksheets, region 1, region 2 and region 3. The content and the layout is exactly the same, and what I want to do is add the same cells from each worksheet into a fourth cell as if it was quarterly sales. Now, although I'm using this as an example, this could be months, it could be years, it could be any sort of format. Three-dimensional formulas enables you to add cells across multiple worksheets and put the answer in nice and easy. The first thing I need to do is I want to go to region 3 and I'm going to copy the format. So I'll copy the worksheet by control and drag. Let go of the mouse, then let go of control. And now I'm going to put in regional total. I'll change this here. Now basically all the formulas to total everything up are already there. I want to remove this data. So I just delete it and our formulas automatically recalculate to 0. Okay, so let's get started. So a three-dimensional formula allows us to add the same cell across multiple worksheets. If I type in an equal sign, it tells Excel we're about to do some maths. If I type in sum as in add and open a set of brackets. Now I'm going to click on the region 1 worksheet tab and the cell we're on is B4. So I'm going to click on B4 and you'll see there it says region 1 exclamation mark B4. The exclamation mark's telling us that's the name of a worksheet tab down here. Now these cells are all in sequence, so all I need to do is hold the shift key down and click on region 3 and the two worksheets between, or the worksheets between those 2 points are selected. If you use the control key, that will allow you to select worksheet tabs that aren't adjacent to each other. So I'd hold down control and click on proper if I wanted to include that, for example. So now we've got all three of these selected. I'm going to close my brackets and I'm just going to press enter. If I come up here, I look at the formula, it says equal sum region 1 colon region 3 exclamation mark B4. So it's summing the worksheet tabs between region 1 to region 3 cell B4. It's giving me all the worksheet, the workstation information for government. Now, once you're 100% certain that formula is correct, you can pick up the little fill cross and drag down. Then you need to let go and then you can drag across. And voila, all of your summing across those three worksheets is done. This is a great way to fast track and have things automatically update. You could even have these worksheets empty and as they're filled in, this summary sheet automatically starts to update. So that's three-dimensional formulas in Excel.